Hello and welcome back to Learn Law with Hannah. Have a watch of my videos that define murder and attempted murder. These are summaries of the two offences that Lucy Letby has been charged with. Okay, so we're now entering week 6 of this trial. The focus this week was on child E, which is a murder charge, and for child F, which is an attempted murder charge, and E and F are twins. So on Monday, the mother of child E and child F gave evidence in court. The mother went to see child E after giving birth in the neonatal unit and saw that blood was coming out of his mouth. Now, Letby said this was due to the feeding tube that had rubbed against his throat, and she told her to go back to the ward. Later that team, the mother of child E, saw a team around the incubator and realised that something was wrong. Unfortunately, child E died. Lucy Letby gave a memory box to the mother, who was, quote, overcome with emotion. Letby told a colleague that she felt numb, and the colleague told her that she had had a run of bad luck. Letby then searched child E's mother on social media in the weeks and months that followed child E's death. The defence KC did clarify that she had also searched for other parents than those that she has been accused of murdering or attempting to murder. On Tuesday, another doctor gave evidence in court and read out the notes that they had recorded. They signed a prescription of morphine and said that child E's stats had improved. A few hours later, child E crashed and they tried to resuscitate him and gave him adrenaline. There was a team of 6 working on child E, including Lucy Letby. Now, the defence talked about the fact that the doctor was fairly new and that had very little experience. The pathology report said it was a gastro bleed that caused the death. A nurse also gave evidence and talked about child F being on respiratory support. Child E was breathing and the mother could hold child E. Child E was tolerating food or feeding, and the issue was that the blood sugar level was out. So the nurse summarised that child E was doing well other than the high blood sugar level. The insulin was delivered to child E via a syringe, which was administered by a computer. Now, midweek, the doctor apologised to child E's parents in court for not pushing for a post-mortem. The cause of death was a serious gastrointestinal disorder. But really there should have been a post-mortem, and the doctor now is uncertain whether that is the cause of death. The twins were born prematurely and they were born with a very rare syndrome called twin transfusion syndrome, which means you share the placenta but you grow unevenly because of that. Towards the end of the week, another doctor gave evidence in court and said that there was interference with child E. Now, there could have been a range of ways that this has happened. So the doctor said it could have been a plastic tube for suction that caused the interference, or it could have been a thin wire. But the cause is something that is stiff that has led to bleeding. And the doctor said that they hadn't seen the deterioration like this ever before. And again, there were strange patches on child E's skin, which were the result of an air embolism. So, in summary, I still don't feel that there's enough to place Lucy Letby at the scene of these deaths. I mean, yes, she was working, but nobody has seen her do anything. And it's tragic that these children have died, absolutely. But is there enough evidence beyond all reasonable doubt? So hit like, hit subscribe, and let me know your thoughts.